Hello beautiful souls, a very warm welcome or welcome back to my channel, and we are doing another travel series, and this travel series is going to be fun because it's going to be a road trip and it's with family. So today we are starting ahead to Chikmagaluru and it's going to take 12 hours. We are going by road and my lovely car. Finally we're taking it out, not in the city but out of the city. I am excited. And it's going to be a 12 days road trip, and then we are going to halt at my home, Kerala. We're going to stay there for a week, and then on the weekend we're going to come back. It's going to be a lovely detox trip. I might get a little exhausted, but I think it'll be fun because I love driving. Let's see if this trip makes me quit driving. Will it? I don't think so.
Tell me now, you're the one I've been dreaming about.
I quickly came down to do a quick check on all the items in the car. Like, there were a few essentials that have to be there for the road trip, and I noticed we don't have camphor, so quickly ordered it through Zepto. And Zepto is, my god, the best savior, I can say. Yeah, I don't have something to open this. I'm literally using my earring ka hook to open this. Like, maybe a small hole, another hole, and yeah, that should be enough. So packing and all is done. Everything is sorted on the top. The breakfast is also ready. Quickly I will wind up this and come. I just came to tidy up the car. In, out. I'm still getting used to the viewfinder. I'm looking at the viewfinder and my neighbor is watching me from behind. If you don't like air fresheners in the car, so you can use camphor. I bought the Tulsi version of this and it smells so good. So from previously I had air freshener and my mom is a little allergic to air fresheners. So last time was sandalwood. It's all done. And now it's time for Tulsi. So also I ordered windshield. I was like, abhi tak I procrastinated at next level because I was like, abhi itna dhoop, there's like, there is time, itna dhoop nahi hai, city hai, kya hai, it's okay. But now for the trip it became a mandate. We do need it. Otherwise we'll go mad in the heat. I think unboxing and car is like a next level videos to be done. These are the magnetic window shades for venue. I bought it off from Amazon. I'll link it down in the description. It was piece of 4 which costed me around 1500, and that's a good price if they fit well. They have also given a zipper, so that is good. I don't have to keep opening the door, removing and all. So it's accessible as well, and it's a perfect deal. So I'll just quickly put them and go back because now I am the one who was doing late. अभी तक तो उन लोग सबके से late हो रहा था, अभी मेरे वजह से late हो रहा है. चलो निकलते हैं. So I quickly came up. Let me show you the current situation. Packing and all is done. So these 2 suitcases, and this has all the clothes and all. That has the shoes, and this has the food and all, and that's the carry-on bag which I have, and that's all miscellaneous. So yeah, this is the current situation. So now let's quickly have some breakfast. I love idli. I love South Indian breakfast, like so flavorful, so good. Not biased, but it's my just personal favorite. As I'm going to visit South, I'm going to have more South Indian breakfast. Very excited for parota and chicken curry. That's one of my favorite. I mean, Kerala is just like so good. So currently it is 12 o'clock. We are at like 3 more kilometers away from Bhutpur. We took a quick stop for some snacks and I need coffee. I am like sleep deprived at this point because I just slept at 1, I got up at 4 and then it's just going on. And we are just, I think, crossed around 60 kilometers, but in between there is a highway construction that is happening, due to which it's all blocked. So if you're coming to Chikmagaluru, plan for that block. We just went through a village and we went out, but then that stretches around 4 to 5 kilometers of jam, proper jam, because the highway is all blocked, and from 4-lining highway it became 2-lining highway, or 2-lining road. So it's going from a village and it's a lot of jam. The coffee is here, it's good coffee, but then the heat is killing. It's damn hot. I hope at least Chikmagaluru is little chilly, at least moderate temperature for us to survive. So that's good. So the coffee is really good. Even my sister is having coffee. All of them are eating inside. Finally we have reached Karnataka border and it's now 5 o'clock. We started around 9:30, 10, and I think we covered good way. Beach mein we took like 2-3 breaks wherein I didn't vlog anything. One place I did. Now we have taken a break, 5 o'clock, and I am starving. I'm so hungry. More than NH44, the service road is more better. I felt like it was all plain, but then there were a lot of speed breakers, which was a bummer. So that was one thing wherein, we have to keep reducing the speed and all, adding on to the time. कितने लोग बात करते हैं आप?
खाने के बाद वॉक कर लो। इसको फ्रस्ट्रेशन आ रहा है इधर मम्मी
All are hungry. So started with the meal. There's some curry, puli, rice, and there's sambar also. Oh, this is like heaven. So we have finished our lunch. It's actually 5:30. So NH44 is really good. The road is really nice. There's some patchwork kind of road in between, but it's still fine. But the service road which we will get in NH 544DD, the road is so good. It's a small road. People are driving left and right, but the road is so smooth. It's so good that you can just drive in peace. But there are a lot of speed breakers, which was a bummer. So वो एक है, but apart from that, I am enjoying the drive for now. And currently we touched Karnataka border, and there is still 5 hours to go, and that's around 233 kilometers. So I'm trying to cover as much as possible before the sun sets. I think the sun will set in another hour. Definitely we cannot cover 5 hours in a stretch, but mostly we can speed now. Once it gets dark, speeding gets a little difficult and gets a little scary as well. So yeah, enjoy the view. It's a really nice view, but it's all deserted, and the locals drive like madness. They put left indicator to go to the right. Suddenly they appear from somewhere at the full speed, and sometimes gets very scary. There are cows also. That's how Indian roads are. So, let's go. I'm just hoping to reach and get rest. Guys, it's 11 o'clock, 7 minutes to 11. We reached around 10:30, and The booking room is so bad. It's very terrible. It's like a small room, and booking.com was really good. I will not mention the name, but let's see. The parking was full of cockroaches. I was like, I keep it outside. Just imagine going inside the car. So coming to the drive was good, but the last 4 hours were terrible. Like to come to Chikmagalur, I don't know if I picked the wrong route or if the Google Maps. I trusted Google Maps and I went. It made me go through Sound Village. I could directly go through the highway instead of going to the service line. But it threw me in the service line. Then it went to a very weird village and all, and it's like terrible. So this is the room tour. Like this is the bed. That's the side stand. A full length mirror. A Chutu TV. A table. This thing. And a bathroom. Bathroom is also pretty average. Not that crazy or this thing. It's just like a bathroom, and there's a commode behind. Let me show. It's okay. I did a wrong thing. I also paid for complete 3 nights. That's also I did a mistake. Instead, before I had to see the room, I was actually exhausted. I didn't even think about seeing the room before the payment, and that is a mistake I did do. Guys, you don't do that mistake. Guys, you don't do it. Check the room, then do the payment. Now 3 days I'm stuck with this room. It's a rough start. Okay, after so much of kich, I got another room. I just went and asked him, okay, we want another room because it's not nice. And yeah, this is a little better but not great. So simple, same bed. The sheets are actually good. They're much better than the other room. Again, mirror, TV, and the same bathroom. So that is what it is. And I think they're bachelors here, and they're smoking like crazy. It's all smoke. Done a blunder. Literally, I've done a blunder. Very upset with my booking. Actually, I booked another hotel. He cancelled on me last moment, so I was searching and I found this pretty decent for the price. So I booked it, and that's the mistake I did. Blunder. I'm literally very unhappy with this, but let's not make this as the bummer for the trip, and I'm just going to relax and sleep because it was a rough day. So this is the entrance. There is bed for 4 people. There is a nice washroom. This is actually very neat and quite better. And there's a TV, there's a table, and there's a full-size mirror, and there's also some place here which is open, and hopefully there is some sunlight from morning, and maybe I can film here, like get ready with me or something like that. So it's nice. Finally a good room, and this is actually nice and spacious, and it does not smell also. The other 2 rooms were actually smelling very strong of room freshener and of cigarettes because the neighbor room people were smoking and drinking. So that's a very strong fragrance which is coming into our room, and it was getting very uncomfortable. Like it was not doing at all. That is the major break point wherein I was getting very more and more irritated. Finally this room is good, so let's have a good sleep and start a good day tomorrow.